Fruits are powerhouse of antioxidants. Fruits have minerals, vitamins, fiber. Fruits are healthy to eat. Hi guys, this is Sujata Chavan, consulting nutritionist. Today I am going to talk about rules to eat fruits. This is very important topic. Before starting, I would like to request all to watch till the end. Rule number 1 is, for an adult, the ideal time to have fruit is before 12 pm. So at what time you can eat your fruits? First thing in the morning, after wake up, you can start your day with any pulpy fruit like a banana, an apple, a pear, or a guava, or a chiku, or a papaya. Second thing, if you don't want to eat a fruit in the morning, and if you don't have time to have your breakfast, then you can have fruits up to 300 grams in your breakfast as a solo meal. The next time to have your fruits is mid-morning, when your breakfast is completely digested and you feel hungry in the mid-morning. At that time you can have your fruits up to 200 grams as a snack. So why to eat fruits before 12 pm? Because fruits, when we eat before 12 pm, our body utilizes the fruit sugar, that is fructose, for energy. Second rule of fruits is your fruit should be always seasonal. As the genetically modified fruits have high fructose or high sugar in it, and it is not advisable to have it in non-season days. The third rule to eat fruit is never have your fruits with your cooked meal, like having fruits after breakfast, or having fruit salad after breakfast or with breakfast, having fruits after lunch, or having fruits after dinner. It is totally wrong. Now I will tell you why it is totally wrong. When we eat any cooked meal like breakfast, lunch and dinner, it consists of carbohydrates, proteins and fats. When we eat cooked food, those carbohydrates, proteins and fats are broken down into glucose, amino acids and fatty acids respectively. But in case of fruit sugar, that is fructose, it doesn't get metabolized. The synthesis of glucose and the synthesis of fructose is completely different. So when we eat fruits with a cooked meal or after having any cooked food, that fructose doesn't get utilized. It directly goes to the liver and there it is converted into fat. In many cases, the reason behind developing non-alcoholic fatty liver is consumption of high fructose or more fruits. Those are eaten any time of the day. Even in case of hyperuricemia, in which the uric acid level in the blood is increased, the reason behind that is also consumption of high fructose. People think that fruits are healthy, fruits are nutritious and we have to eat fruits. We have to include fruits in our daily diet. But the rules of eating fruits are very important, otherwise the fruits may cause metabolic disorders like fatty liver, insulin resistance, that is diabetes, hyperuricemia. But in case of children, they can have their fruits in a daytime. Make sure that they should have their fruits as a separate meal and it should not be combined with any cooked meal. So they can have their fruits in the morning or mid-morning or in the afternoon, but avoid to give them fruits at night. Children can have their fruits anytime in the day because their body is developing, their metabolism is high and that fructose is utilized during their activities and during their sports. Fourth rule to eat fruit is never have mixed fruits or never have more than one type of fruit at a time. Having the fruit salad in which 3 to 4 types of fruits are there is totally wrong. Some fruits are acidic in nature, some fruits are alkaline in nature and it is not advisable to have the acidic and alkaline both the things together. So at a time you have to eat only one kind of fruit. When you have fruit salad, on that fruit salad you can put some topping of seeds like sunflower, pumpkin, soaked chia seeds, as those are rich in essential fats, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. That will be an added advantage to have those nutritious seeds with your fruits. Coming to the fifth rule, never juice your fruits. Instead of juice, you have to prefer fruits. There are two reasons behind avoiding the juice. Number one, when we make juice from the fruit, it has more natural sugar in it as compared to the fruit. Number two, when we make juice of the fruit, the fiber is extracted, which is very important to have. Most of the time people say that I don't get time to have fruits. So it is fine. If you don't get time to have your fruits, then it's okay. Whatever vitamins, minerals and fiber you are going to get from your fruit consumption, you can get it by adding your vegetables in the form of sabzis and vegetable salad in your lunch and dinner. It is that simple. For example, when we talk about vitamin C, which thing immediately comes in our mind? Those are citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, mosambi, pineapple, guava. But do you know there are some vegetables like leafy vegetables, capsicum, cabbage, which has vitamin C in it. So it is not necessary that you should compulsory include your fruits in your diet, but make sure that you should have minimum 4 servings of vegetables in your 3 meals altogether, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this was about rules to eat fruits. I hope you must like this video. If you have any suggestions, please write in the comment box below so that it will be helpful to me to develop the content of the upcoming videos. To get such more informational videos on diet and health, please like, share and subscribe.